If you've got a Cash App, Cash Card, and you're wondering how to use it at a store, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to pay with your Cash Card in-store and make sure the process is smooth and easy. Stick with me until the end so you don't miss a single step. First things first, make sure your Cash Card is activated. You can do this inside the Cash app by tapping the Cash Card icon, then following the on-screen instructions to either scan the QR code that came with your card or manually enter the activation details. Once it's active, your card works just like any regular Visa debit card, directly linked to your Cash App balance. When you're at the store, head to the checkout like usual. If it's a physical terminal, simply insert, swipe, or tap your Cash Card just like you would with any debit card. Many stores also accept contactless payments, so you can use the tap to pay feature if your Cash Card supports it. If you're shopping online or at a self-checkout kiosk, choose credit or debit at payment, then enter your card number, expiration date, CVV, and ZIP code, all of which you can view inside Cash App if you don't have the physical card handy. A pro tip, make sure you have enough balance in your Cash App before paying. If your purchase is more than your Cash App balance, the payment will likely be declined. You can quickly add funds from your linked bank account right in the app before you swipe. And that's it. Super simple. Your payment will instantly deduct from your Cash App balance, and you can check the transaction under your Activity tab in the app right away. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials and money-saving tips. And don't forget to share this with someone who's just getting started with Cash App. It might save them a lot of confusion at checkout.